Have some time. So there we have some breadfruit frying in some coconut oil on the open fire, open wood fire. Yeah. Flames of fire.
And some chicken. Breadfruit and chicken.
Breadfruit and chicken.
Yes. Yeah, breadfruit and chicken.
Yeah.
Early morning slap, you know. Yeah, man, early morning thing. Early morning breakfast, these people. You know, see it?
You see
You
it?
like it?
You see it and I like it.
Yeah.
The only thing we missing is pear.
Yeah.
Next time we gotta get some pear.
See tree them there, you know. The pear tree also, you know.
Oh,
And a big pretty one is a pear tree, you know.
okay.
Yes, man.
Next time.
Yeah, man. But we eat it, me eat it 24/7, man, pear. Well, as some man come from down so, Rasta come here and take time and I look on the pear, them, you know, go pick pear and sit in. No, man, you can't do that. I've lived up to the people there.
And then this is the ackee tree here.
Yeah, ackee tree.
You see all the ackee on there?
Yeah, man, see enough young ackee there. For this season. And this year I will pick it, you know. Not this year I have, you know.
It's full again.
Yeah, in the last month.
Oh, maybe because you pick it. That's why it comes full again?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one,
Yeah.
tambran, yeah? Sweet tambran. This fine, pretty sweet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tamarind tree
Yeah.
under the ackee tree. Yeah. The dogs are quiet this morning. The birds are out. The fire's going. With the trash from the yard. Dog sleepy. As you can see, today is a pretty chill morning, but as we're getting ready to go to the beach, I also noticed that one of the tenants on the property has some really cool tattoos, and one of them in particular is Malcolm X. And if you didn't know, in America in my past life, I was an activist there, and my neighbors called the police and said that I was listening to loud Islamic, jihadist, Muslim preachings, and it was Brother Malcolm X. So it was very good to see that someone also appreciated Malcolm X as much as I do and actually put them on their body along with other people such as Tupac Shakur and Muhammad Ali, as you see there. Okay, so now the beach. Made it to the beach. Made it to the beach. Look how pretty it looks. Do you see like your timer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I think it's recording.
Okay. That's all you do is just press the top button and it starts recording.
Yeah. Where I can get into the water. It's pretty shallow. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's warm. I'm in here with my Crocs.
You're gonna be alright?
Shit. Yeah. See the Crocs. Right. How does this feel on you?
It feels good. Very good. Look at, oh my gosh, look at like the mountain. That's crazy, ain't it? That's crazy. But look how clear the water is. Like if I wasn't moving and there wasn't any sand going around, it's like crystal clear. What is this, the Caribbean Sea? Huh, Jay? Which one is this?
I don't know. Maybe the Pacific. Nah. Yeah, maybe. I think so. Pacific. Caribbean is far, right?
Jamaica's in the Caribbean.
Oh, really?
Just like Trinidad.
Yeah, just turn it off.
It's still recording though. You can just tap the screen. It'll come back
Oh.
on.
Wow, this is cool.
It's still recording.
Alright.
It says it's supposed to be waterproof, but I don't really want to try it.
Yeah, we don't have to.
Yeah. I'm not gonna. The water is so crystal clear. I want to see if I can.
It would be cool to get a good underwater shot though. But that would be cool. But yeah. She's swimming.
The water feels good though. The water feels so good. No, it doesn't feel good. It feels like delicious. And look, I got this leaf. As soon as I opened the car door, this fell on my lap. So this is good luck. Yep, so I figured I'd keep it close to me. Right there.
It just fell out of the sky.
Yeah, just fell off the sky right into my lap. As soon as I opened the car door. Ooh, the water's salty.
Yeah, don't want to taste ocean water.
And my eyes.
Only for the swimming. Only for the fun. Not for drinking.
Wow.
Maybe if we go to a lake.
I don't want to walk
Fresh
to the lake.
water.
I don't want to walk in all those rocks again. I walked over there a little bit this morning.
Yeah.
I'm done with the lake.
You gotta just wear Crocs or something. But
Um,
here's the beach, guys.
should I swim some more or should we just go?
You should swim a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Whoa. Cool.
I didn't know you were still filming.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's your boy. Chill.
This water is salty.
It has a good mic.
Huh?
It has a good mic. Like it picks
I hope
up.
so. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? This water is salty.
I think it hurts. But how? This is your first time
First time what?
using the camera? You don't know if it mic good?
Not really. I didn't really get feedback. I guess it's alright. They're not complaining. It's not good.
You're not listening to your videos?
I do most of them sometimes. But I don't listen to it like on YouTube. I listen to it while I'm editing.
Oh, okay, then you should. It
And I
should.
can hear it.
Yeah, okay. the water's so clear.
It's so clear and it feels so warm. It feels so juicy and warm. The sand feels so different. I like how the sand feels.
Yeah. It's like, feel mushy. Hey, Ma, you want to hold it now? Alright. So, that was the beach. Yeah.